Just in time for summer, Theater Solutions by Goldwood brings you Amazon's top choice for outdoor rock speakers. The Theater Solutions by Goldwood outdoor weather-resistant rock speakers. They come in 3 realistic hand-painted colors: Granite, Lava, and Sandstone. And 3 different sizes: 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch. Each speaker is equipped with a 6-inch raw wire lead protected in silicone for connection to the receiver. These rock speakers have polymica woofers protected by high-quality butyl rubber surrounds, rust and UV-resistant steel grills, and are enclosed in a multi-layer silicone-sealed cabinet. They're highly versatile and can be used in many settings like pools, patios, backyards, gardens, and sunrooms. Now we'll explain how to easily install these speakers with minimal tools. Here's the tools you'll need to get this done. And here is a list of products you'll need to purchase to accompany these speakers. The most challenging part of installing outdoor systems is how to get the power from your receiver inside to where your speakers are outside. You should first plan out where the speakers will go in your outdoor area. We've chosen to add the rocks to this jacuzzi lounge area. Then you must find a place for the receiver that's indoors. Next, mark a spot to drill from inside to out where the cable entry plate will go. Lastly, find a convenient place for the outdoor volume control dial to be mounted. Unscrew the front and mount the backing with the cable hole pointing down and safe from weather conditions. Once you've found a place for everything and designated a burial path, you will now take measurements to account for the amount of speaker wire necessary. First, measure from the receiver to the cable entry and then from the cable entry to the volume control. Then measure from the volume control to each of the 2 main speakers. If adding secondary speakers, measure from the main speaker to each secondary speaker separately. Add up all measurements and account for burial and connection and purchase that amount of speaker wire. When purchasing speaker wire, be sure to use 2-conductor CL3 burial grade outdoor rated 14 to 16 gauge wire. First, use the 3.5-inch hole saw and drill to create a convenient hole from indoors to outdoors where the receiver is. Once the hole is made, use a cable entry plate to seal the hole, creating a smaller, more controlled entry for cables. For any areas around the plate that are unsealed, use caulk to seal and protect against moisture and small insects. Next, connect your wires to the back of the receiver and run them through the assembled cable entry plate. Run the wire loosely down the path to the mounted outdoor volume control. Connect the wire from the receiver to the input of the volume control, and then connect a separate lead to the output section for speaker connection. Then run the output wires down the path to each speaker. Bring together the lead from the volume control and the lead from the speakers. Secondary speakers must be spliced to the main speaker and volume control leads. Keep black or negative leads together and red or positive leads together. Be sure to add a waterproof butt splice connector to seal the connection. The butt splice connector not only shields the raw wires, but has a sealant that oozes when heated to create a moisture-proof seal. Connect the wires, then crimp down both connectors to lock in the wires. Use the heat gun to melt the connector and sealant. Then use your fingers to shape it around the silicone of the wires. For extra protection, wrap the cooled connection with electrical tape before burial. Once you're connected, the easiest way to test your system is to plug in an AUX cable and play music from your phone or device. If your system is up and running, it's time to bury your speaker wire. In our installation, the area was covered in mulch, making it quite easy to shovel out, lay the wire, and cover without much effort. If you're dealing with dirt or grass, you'll need a tool called a spade, a flat edger, or a shovel. You'll want to dig a 6-inch deep trench that is just wide enough for you to shove the wires in with your fingers. Once the trench is dug, shove the wires down all the way to the bottom with your hands. Use the tool or your foot to shove the sides back in to allow grass to grow over the buried wire, then making the burial path invisible. Finally, play your favorite tune, sit back, relax, and enjoy your new Theater Solutions rock speakers.